In the system of KPS schools, I take a start with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying this online session. I think you are waiting for your next lecture. Let's start our computer subject, in which we have started chapter number 2, which is named as Data Types, Assignments and Input-Output Statements. As you know that data type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler or any other translator how the programmer intends to use the data. Most programming languages support basic data types of floating point numbers, integer numbers, characters and boolean type of data. And we know that assignment statements copies a value into the variable, and input statements are used for input and output statements are used for output. Today our topic is operators in basic language, where basic stands for beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. We have to learn some operators which are used in this language. Firstly, we must know that what are operators. Operators are the symbols which are used to perform certain operations on data. These operators include arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, concatenation operators, assignment operator, and we also learn about operator precedence. Firstly, we talk about arithmetic operators. Here are 4 basic arithmetic operators, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These operators are used to perform arithmetic operations on values. हम ये चारों operations use कर सकते हैं किसी भी value पे required value को find करने के लिए. Here you can see a table in which operations, their symbols and some arithmetic and basic expressions are written. First operation is addition. The symbol used for addition is plus, and when this symbol is applied on any two values, then in arithmetic expression we can write it as a plus b, and in basic expression it can be written as a plus b. Next operation is subtraction. The symbol for subtraction is minus, and when this symbol is applied on any two values, then we can write a minus b in arithmetic and basic expression. Next is multiplication operation. The symbol used for multiplication operation is steric. When we apply this symbol on any two values a and b, then in arithmetic expression we write it as a cross b, and in basic expression we write it as a steric b. In this expression we write steric sign in place of cross sign. Next is division operation. The symbol used for division is slash. When this symbol is applied on any two numbers, then in arithmetic expression we can write it as a slash b, and in basic expression it can also be written as a slash b. Next is exponent operation. The symbol used for exponent is this. It can also be called raised to power. In arithmetic expression, when this symbol is applied on any number, then we can write it as a raised to power n, and in basic expression first of all we will write a. After this we will apply exponent symbol, and then we will write n, where n is any number that can be used as power. Next is negation operation. The symbol for negation operation is minus. In arithmetic expression, when the symbol is applied on any value, we can write it as minus a, and in basic expression it can also be written as minus a. The symbol used for modulus operation is mod, and when we apply this operation on any two values, then we write a mod b, both in arithmetic and basic expressions. And the last is integral division, which is opposite to the division symbol. For integral division we use the left division sign, and for this we write a left division b, and in basic expression we write a left division b. Now we will discuss relational operators. रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स आर यूज टू कंपेयर टू वैल्यूज़. अगर हम कोई भी दो वैल्यूज़ को कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हम रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स यूज़ करेंगे. दीज ऑपरेटर्स आर ऑलवेज अवेल्यूएट टू ट्रू और फॉल्स. रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर से हमेशा हमें दो ही वैल्यूज़ रिजल्ट में मिलेंगी, दो ही आंसर्स मिलेंगे विच कैन बी ट्रू और फॉल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव थ्री वैल्यूज़ a equal to 123, b equal to 215 and c equal to 123. Now we will compare all these values by using relational operators. You can see some symbols on your screen which are equal sign, less than sign, greater than, less or equal to, greater or equal to, not equal to. All these are relational operators which are used to compare any two values. अब हम इस टेबल के ज़रिए से गिवन वैल्यूज़ को कंपेयर करके देखेंगे कि हमारे पास ट्रू रिजल्ट आता है या फॉल्स आता है. फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज इक्वल टू. द सिंबल फॉर इक्वल टू ऑपरेशन इज इक्वल साइन. एंड इफ यू कंपेयर टू वैल्यूज a and c, then you can see that the value of a and c are equal, so we write a equal to c, which is our true result. Next operation is less than. The symbol for less than you can see on your screen. If we compare the two values b and a by using the less symbol, then we can say that b is less than a. This is a false result because the value of b is greater than the value of a. That's why this will give us a false result. Next is greater symbol. If we compare two values a and c and we write a is greater than c, then this will also give us a false result because we know that the value of a and c are equal. Next operation is less than or equal to. If we use this symbol between the values a and b, so we can write it as a is less or equal to b, then this is our true statement because the value of a is less than the value of b. Next operation is greater than or equal to. The symbol for this operation is greater or equal to, and if we write this symbol between the values b and a, then it will give us a true result because the value of b is greater than the value of a. And the last operation is not equal to. The symbol for not operation is, you can see, it's a sign of less and greater combinedly. And if you compare the values a and b by using this operator, a is not equal to b, then this is also a true statement because you can see that the value of a is not equal to the value of b. In this way we can compare any two values. Now we will discuss logical operators. There are three logical operators in basic language. These operators are AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. We use two values in AND and OR operator, and we use only one value in NOT operator. If we talk about AND operator, we use two values. If both the values are true, then AND operator will give us a true result. If any one of these values is false, then AND operator will give us a false result. Now we will talk about OR operator. If both the values are true in OR operator, it will give us true value. If any one of these values is true or any one of these values is false, it will give us a true result. And NOT operator will give us the opposite of the given value. If the given value is true, it will give us false result, and if the given value is false, it will give us true result. Now we will discuss all these operators in the table. Here you can see a table in which logical operators are used which are NOT and OR operators. Firstly we talk about NOT operator. In this operator we use only one value, which is x. If the given value is true, it will give us false result, and if the given value is false, it will give us true result. Now we will discuss AND operator. In this operator two values are given which are x and y. When we apply AND operator on these values, then it will give us the following result. If both the values are true, it will give us true result. If the first value is true and second is false, it will give us false result. and if first value is false and second is true, it will also give us a false result. If both the values are false, it will give us false result. Next is OR operator. In this operator we use two values which are x and y. By using OR operator we will get the following results. If both the values are true, we get the true result. If first value is true and second is false, then it will give us a true result. If first value is false and second is true, then it will also give us a true result. If both the values are false, then it will give us a false result. It means that if any one of the given value is true, it will give us a true result. Now we will discuss concatenation operator. कंकेटिनेशन ऑपरेटर में हम दो स्ट्रिंग्स या दो वेरिएबल्स को ज्वाइन कर देते हैं. ऑल रिलेशन ऑपरेटर्स कैन बी यूज्ड विद स्ट्रिंग फॉर कंपैरिजन. द सिंबल फॉर स्ट्रिंग कंकेटिनेशन ऑपरेशन इज प्लस. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू स्ट्रिंग्स स्नो एंड बॉल. द कंकेटिनेशन फॉर स्नो एंड बॉल इज स्नोबॉल. नेक्स्ट इज असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. It is used to store a value, string or a computational result in a variable. अगर हम किसी भी वैल्यू को किसी वेरिएबल में सेव करना चाहते हैं या किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन को किसी वेरिएबल में स्टोर करवाना चाहते हैं तो इसके लिए हम असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर यूज़ करते हैं. द सिंबल ऑफ असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर इज सिमिलर टू द इक्वल साइन. Here you can see a statement variable name equal to expression. In this statement we use a assignment operator equal. On the left hand side we write variable name and in the right hand side we will write any expression on any value. For example, if we write a equal to 10, here a is the variable name and 10 is the value which is stored in the variable a. Here we use assignment operator equal which assign the value 10 in the variable a. Next is order precedence. An operator precedence determines its order of evaluation in an expression. Order precedence हमें ये बताता है कि किसी भी expression में हमने सबसे पहले कौन सी term को evaluate करना है, कौन सी term सबसे पहले solve की जाएगी. You can see a table which shows that which operator is evaluated firstly. You can see first of all parentheses are solved. After this exponential terms will be solved and then negation operator is solved. After this multiplication and division operators are evaluated and then left division. After this mod operator is evaluated and then addition and subtraction operators are evaluated. After addition and subtraction, relational operators which are equal to, not equal to, less than, lesser equal to, greater than, greater or equal to, these operators are solved. And then logical operators which are not and or are evaluated in a sequence, and in the last assignment operator is evaluated. In this way we can solve the expression by using this order of precedence. The highest precedence is parenthesis and the lowest is assignment operator. First of all parentheses are solved and after this we will assign a value to the variable. By learning these operators you can apply any operation on the given values. इसके अलावा आप कोई भी दो values को compare कर सकते हैं और order of precedence के ज़रिए आप किसी भी expression को solve कर सकते हैं. ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस के ज़रिए आपको ये पता चल सकता है कि सबसे पहले आपने कौन सी टर्म को एवेल्यूएट करना है. सो यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दीज ऑपरेटर्स एंड देयर ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस. आई होप यू विल गिव योर बेस्ट. थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.